Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The three-day YAR Leaders Orientation 2024 took place from 29 to 31st July at the Provincial House, New Delhi. Participants from 10 provinces of India and National Office staff, totaling to 38 and 7 resource persons, attended the program. YAR orientation began with the lighting of the lamp by dignitaries. Father Joe Prabhu, Executive Director of Don Bosco National Forum for the Young at Risk, welcomed all with an introductory note and invited Chief Guest Father John Parankimmalil, the SPCSA Secretary, to address the gathering. The Salesian confreres of INA Vice Province have just experienced the first change of leadership and governance from Provincial Father Andrew Wong SDB to the new Provincial Father Vicentius Prastowo SDB. Along with the installation of the new Provincial, there was also installation of 2 new rectors, Father Angu as the rector of the post-novitiate and Father Ambrosius as rector and novice master in Tigarska community. Father Joseph Nguyen Ting Phuc, the Salesian Regional Superior in East Asia, Oceania, represented the Rector Major, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Arteme, in the installation of Father Prastowo on July 30th in Sunter, Jakarta. The Shaping Tomorrow Communication Conference in Rome dedicated several sessions this morning, the rising influence of mobile journalism, showcasing the power of video storytelling through the lens of a smartphone. The chief resource person was 28-year-old Italian Simone Ferretti, who captivated the audience with his dynamic presentations and live demonstrations on the art of mobile journalism. Ferretti led 2 dedicated sessions, educating the crowd on how the smartphone has revolutionized the way news is gathered and content is created. Don Bosco Nursery and Primary School celebrated the annual Cultural of School. During the inaugural Eucharistic celebration, Father Joseph Hung, the rector and principal, reminded the students that there is no better or superior cultures in the world. Each culture is unique and beautiful in itself. When a culture protects and promotes life, it is socially accepted. Hence, there was cultural presentation from baby class in kindergarten up to primary 8. Each class had the chance to present one of their choices among dramas, singing and dance. The day was colorful with variety of presentations of the cultures from different tribes in South Sudan, especially around Tonj. Father Omar de Lessa SDB along with 10 lay volunteers from Italy were the chief guests for the day. With colorful flags and shouts of encouragement, the Salesian High School in Salvador held its cultural gymkhana from 18th to 20th July, involving more than 350 students from 6th to 9th grade together with the teachers. As part of the event, they engaged in a series of challenges that mixed fun and learning with playful tests based on the knowledge gained in language, mathematics, humanities, natural sciences and religious education classes. In addition to the races, the gymkhana promoted solidarity. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.